Hey everyone, it's your host from Market Daily, and today we're going to talk about the big crash happening in the crypto world. If you've been keeping an eye on your favorite coins, you might have noticed that the prices are falling fast. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, XRP, and pretty much any other coin you can think of are all down a lot today. It's a tough time for crypto investors, but don't worry. I'm here to explain what's going on and what we can expect in the coming days. First, let's talk about what a correction is. In the world of investing, a correction is when the prices of assets, like cryptocurrencies, go down after a period of strong growth. It's a normal part of the market cycle, and it happens when people start selling their investments to take profits. That's exactly what we're seeing right now in the crypto market. Over the past few weeks, Bitcoin has been on a crazy ride. It went up from $40,000 to over $60,000, and it seemed like nothing could stop it. But now, we're seeing a correction. People who bought Bitcoin when it was cheaper are now selling some of their coins to make money. This is causing the price to go down. And when Bitcoin goes down, it often takes other coins with it. So, why is this correction happening now? Well, there are a few reasons. One of the big ones is the Bitcoin ETFs. ETFs are investment funds that allow people to invest in Bitcoin without actually buying the coin itself. When these ETFs were first announced, it was a huge deal for the crypto world. Lots of people got excited and started buying Bitcoin, which helped push the price up even more. But now that the ETFs are up and running, some people are starting to sell their Bitcoin. They might be worried that the price has gone up too fast, or they might just want to take some profits while they can. Whatever the reason, this selling is putting pressure on the price of Bitcoin, and that's causing the whole market to go down. Now, I know seeing your favorite coins crash can be scary, but it's important to remember that this is all part of the game. If we look at the bigger picture, most of these coins are still way up from where they were a few weeks ago. Coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have seen gains of 300%, 400%, or even 1,000% in some cases. So, even though they might be down 20% or 30% today, that's not really a big deal in the grand scheme of things. Plus, if we look at Bitcoin specifically, this kind of correction is actually pretty normal. In the past, we've seen Bitcoin drop by 30% or more during a correction, but it always bounces back. Right now, Bitcoin is down about 17% from its all-time high, which means it could still have a bit further to fall. But based on what we've seen in the past, I don't think this correction will last too much longer. So, when will the selling stop? That's the big question on everyone's mind. No one knows for sure, but there are some signs we can look for. One of the key levels to watch is $59,000 for Bitcoin. If the price can hold above that level, it could be a sign that the worst of the correction is over. For Ethereum, I'm keeping an eye on $2,700 as a potential bottom. Once the selling does stop, I expect the market to bounce back quickly. These coins have a habit of recovering fast after a correction, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some of them gain 20%, 30%, or even 40% in a short period of time. So, if you've been thinking about buying the dip, now might be a good time to start looking for opportunities. Of course, it's always important to do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are still a risky investment, and there are no guarantees in this market. But if you believe in the long-term potential of these coins, then a correction like this can be a good opportunity to buy in at a lower price. One thing that's giving me confidence in the market is the upcoming Bitcoin halving. For those who don't know, the Bitcoin halving is an event that happens every 4 years, where the amount of new Bitcoin being created gets cut in half. In the past, this has been a big catalyst for price growth, as it makes Bitcoin scarcer and more valuable. The next halving is set to happen in just under 30 days, and a lot of people are expecting it to be a major event for the crypto market. If history is any guide, we could see Bitcoin and other coins start to rally in the weeks leading up to the halving, as investors try to get in before the big day. So, while the correction we're seeing today might be scary, it's important to keep things in perspective. This is a normal part of the market cycle, and it doesn't change the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies. If anything, it could be a good opportunity for investors who have been waiting on the sidelines to start building a position. As always, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing what you can afford to lose. Crypto is still a young and volatile market, and there are no guarantees. But if you believe in the technology and the potential of these coins, then a correction like this shouldn't scare you off. In fact, Some of the most successful investors in the world have made their fortunes by buying when everyone else is selling. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, has a famous saying, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." In other words, when everyone else is panicking and selling their investments, that's often the best time to buy. Of course, that doesn't mean you should just throw your money at any coin that's down 20% or 30%. You still need to do your research and make sure you're investing in projects that have real long-term potential. Look for coins with strong fundamentals, good technology, and a solid team behind them. And don't forget to diversify your portfolio. As the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments out across different coins and different types of assets, so that if one part of your portfolio takes a hit, the rest can help balance it out. So, what's the bottom line? The crypto market is going through a correction, and that's causing a lot of coins to crash. But this is a normal part of the market cycle, and it doesn't change the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies. If you're a long-term investor, this could be a good opportunity to start building a position in some of your favorite coins. But as always, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing what you can afford to lose. Crypto is still a risky market, and there are no guarantees. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and don't let your emotions get the best of you. And if you're ever feeling overwhelmed or unsure about what to do, remember that you're not alone. The crypto community is full of smart and passionate people who are always happy to help. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for advice or guidance. At the end of the day, investing in cryptocurrencies is a personal decision. It's up to you to weigh the risks and rewards and decide what's right for you. But if you believe in the long-term potential of this technology, then a correction like this shouldn't scare you off. In fact, it might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. So, stay strong, stay informed, and remember that the best investors are the ones who can keep a cool head when everyone else is losing theirs. The crypto market is a wild and exciting place, and there's never a dull moment. But if you can learn to ride the waves and stay focused on the long term, you just might find yourself on the right side of history. As always, thanks for watching Market Daily. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the crypto market. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'll do my best to answer as many as I can. Until next time, happy investing.